It's Freedom Friday, my friends. You want the key to a freedom machine? It's automations and passive income. Let me explain. Automations. Have you ordered anything offline in the last month? That's through an automated system. And that's how my business is set up. It's set up on autopilot. It's out there in the background working for me 24/7. So at any time someone go through my automated system and purchase from me. I work 2 hours a day. I do 2 hours of income earning activities, driving results back to my business. We're not here to teach you to take more time away from your family. We're here to teach you how to get more time with your family with a fully automated online business for time freedom. That still gives me 22 hours a day to do the things I love and spend time with my family. Passive income. What is the meaning of passive income? It's making money while you're not working, while you're sleeping, while you're not doing the things that you love, while you're picking your kids up from school. So if you put those two together, automations and passive income, that's what will give you your life back. That's what will give you your time back. And that's what will give you a predictable daily income coming in. So if you're ready to have your own freedom machine, you're ready to be part of a thriving community where you get live, hands-on, interactive mentorship on a daily basis so you know exactly what to do. Learn how to make 100% profit so you will get paid for what you're worth, my friends. Because I worked in a factory for 16 years. I wore steel-toed boots into a factory. I worked 6-7 days a week, 10 and 12 hours shifts. I had no life. We're not here to teach you how to grind. We're here to teach you how to work less but achieve more. If you'd like to learn more, put Freedom Friday in the comments and I'd absolutely love to share it with you.